Songbird Regine Velasquez may muling binalikan. Sa susunod na Biyernes, aabangan na naman ng buong bayan ang isa pang espesyal na Feb Ibig edition ng Maalaala Mo Kaya.
Actually, this is my second time. First one was with Piola Pascual. It was our first team up. And the title of our episode then was Lobo.
Matapos nga ang kanyang award-winning performance sa kauna-unahan niyang Maalaala Mo Kaya guesting, muli na namang nagbabalik si Regine para sa isang naiibang kwento ng pag-ibig.
I was just really very happy that I was invited again. The story is parang first love never dies. They both had families na. Yung feelings nila for each other, parang haunting both of them. So napapanaginipan nila yung isa't isa until mag-decide sila na to see each other. That's how the story will start.
Pero kahit na ikalawang beses na ito ni Regine sa MMK, kinakabahan pa rin daw siya sa first taping day pa lang nila.
So iyak. But, you know, I was being supported by Albert and of course, it's my first time to also work with, Direct Jeffrey. Natatense ako kasi usually yung mga nagiging director ko, mga kabagang ko, mga nakakalokohan ko, medyo behave ako ng konti, pero konti lang.
Regine Velasquez sa kanyang pagbabalik.
Sana po ay panoorin nyo ang episode na ito, very special episode na ito ng Maalaala Mo Kaya.
Regine Velasquez, first time live sa Entertainment Live.
Please welcome live with us, Asa Songbird, a terrific and excellent singer and actress, Miss Regine Velasquez. Good afternoon, Miss Reg.
Welcome, Miss Regine.
Welcome to Entertainment Live.
It's my first time to be here. I'm very
It is an honor to share the stage with you.
Same here, same
We're
here.
so honored that you're here. Pero teka muna, pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang MMK, the very much awaited MMK na malapit na natin mapanood.
This is going to be on Friday.
Okay.
Pagkatapos po nung napaka-successful na episode ni Casey, ito naman po yung isusunod ng Maalaala Mo Kaya. It's an honor for me to do this. This is my second time. The first time was with Piolo nga.
And you won
And
an
you won an
award.
award.
Yeah.
Grabe. First
Best
time.
actress ako. Meron kaming napapangipangitang baka maging best picture. Pero ako lang. Best picture ako
Yung
lang.
sa'yo lang.
Pero Miss
ako
Reg,
lang.
they were saying that Tito Albert said, tsaka si Direct Jeffrey, na they were very, very happy with your performance.
Very impressed.
Very, very
Talaga?
impressed.
I'm so happy. Hindi kasi si Direct Jeffrey, nakalimutan kong sabihin sa kanya na hindi ako nagre-rehearse. So pag nire-rehearse nila ako, niloloko ko, pinapalitan ko yung mga lines. Si Albert umiiyak na.
Naku.
Wait, you don't rehearse, Miss
Hindi
Reg?
ako
At least
nagre-rehearse.
there's one thing na may
Wow.
nalaman tayo today. Hindi pa na siya
Oo,
nagre-rehearse.
nakalimutan ko sabihin sa kanya. I mean, gagawin ko yung blocking, I'll say my lines, but I won't,
Yung emotions
I don't put the
Oo.
emotions. Kasi, na-affect, mabilis ako ma-affect. So, masyado magiging heavy or either that or masyado ng acting na acting na hindi na masyadong spontaneous. That's why I don't rehearse.
What's the name of your character and ano yung...
Similarities niyo.
Kaming dalawa, well, aside from sa buhok, ano nga ba yung pangalan ko? Kathy. Kathy is my name here. And siguro, in some ways, medyo nakaka-relate ako sa kanya because of, yun nga yung parang, hindi siya masyadong happy with her, although wala naman ako asawa, she wasn't very happy with her
Married life.
married life. And then nakita niya itong kanyang parang
First
first love na hino-haunt siya na hindi ka naman magtataka, ang gwapo.
Oo. Narikisip.
Parang ganyan, something like that. Now, kailangan nating, ang papakaabangan natin, I think, is kung madidecide ba nila to live their respective families to be together, yun.
Ay.
On that romance note,
On that romance.
kamusta na kayo ni Tito Ogie?
Oh, Tito Ogie talaga.
Lagot ka!
Yun ang tawag ko sa kanya talaga. Yun ang tawag sa kanya because kilala ko si Tito Ogie ever since. Bata pa lang ako, pinapanood ko na siya.
Lagot ka! Ako
Bakit?
nga sasabihin ko Kuya Ogie, pero...
Masama ba rumispeto sa nakakatanda?
Lagot ka talaga!
Bakit? Kamusta na kayo?
How was Valentine?
Parang ibig sabihin nun, ganun din tawag din sa akin, Tita Regine.
Hindi naman
kami,
sis.
Miss Regine.
Hindi naman sis.
Ako, Miss Regine. How is the Valentine's Day?
Valentine's Day, okay naman, pero nagtrabaho kasi siya. He was in Iloilo, so pinuntahan ko lang siya doon. So, ang Valentine's, actually, nakakatawa yung Valentine's namin. Kasi actually, he didn't know that I was gonna go there.
Oh, may
kasi
surprise.
meron akong ginawa meron akong something dito for my mom. So, nung gabi, I went there to surprise him, and he was so surprised. But I have to tell you this, since pagod na kami pareho, so, nag-ano na lang kami, nanood kami ang Valentine's namin, ang Valentine date namin ni Ogie. Nanood kami ng movie ni Bea Alonso at ni John Lloyd.
One more chance?
Hindi, Close to You.
Close to you!
Sa TV.
Good choice.
Hindi
Very,
nga.
very good choice.
Tapos kaming dalawa, palakpakan kaming dalawa. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang galing ni John Lloyd. Ang galing ni John Lloyd. Ang ganda ni Bea. So kami pareho, parang pinagnanasahan namin yung
Thank you for sharing that.
Oo, parang pinagnanasahan namin na parang kami na too much information. Sorry. I'm too emotional these days. No, but it was such a good movie and we enjoyed watching it. Kasi Valentine's Day, so parang ito sa perfect film to watch.
Very simple lang na date nila, yet very memorable. Pero ito na ang pinakaabangan tanong ng buong bayan. Meron na bang wedding plan? Kailan na ba ang wedding bell?
Parang may nagre-react na, kilig-kilig sila. Hindi, parang pusa.
And lalaki yun, ha?
Laki-laki
ng katawan, ha?
Lalaki yun, oo.
Ay! Parang pusa. Ano ba yun?
Any wedding bell soon?
You know, we have a lot of things to settle. You know, I always say this kasi talagang hindi din namin pwede ding sabihin pa sa mga tao kasi syempre na, ano yun legal matters yun So, kailangang dapat hindi muna namin sinasabi. But yun lang, we have to settle a lot of things, especially on his part. Pero kung maayos namin yun, then syempre, kung nagkakaroon ka naman ng relationship, hindi mo naman iniisip na pang today lang, di ba? Ang isip mo naman is
3 days.
You know, mga 3 months. Mga 3 months naman. Yung future naman. And ako kasi, hindi naman ako nag-iisip na meron pang iba. Sa akin yon, ewan ko sa kanya.
Ganun talaga dapat. But of course, Miss Reg, magkasama ba kayo ni Kuya Ogie pag nanood ng MMK?
Siyempre. Kasi, hindi kasi gusto ko siya. Kailangan talaga yan ang music.
Yun talaga ang ano nun, queuing.
Hindi, kasi gusto kong kuhanin din yung ano niya, kung yung opinion niya kung kamusta yung acting ko, kung gano'n. And binibigay naman niya yung opinion niya. Minsan masyadong honest. Naiinis ako. Pwede yung medyo gandahan mo naman ang konti, di ba?
Pwede kang magsinungaling ng konti.
Pwede mo wag masyado i-hurt yung feelings ko medyo pwedeng hindi mo naman ako insultuhin ng konti.
And with that, I'm sure everyone's really excited to watch the MMK of Miss Regine Velasquez.
Yes. You know, I'd like to say thank you to ABS-CBN, Ms. Shara Santos, for inviting me again to do Maalaala Mo Kaya, which I miss doing. Thank you very, very much to everybody, the staff, the crew, si Direk, si Albert, lahat ng nakatrabaho ko po. I had a great time working with you guys. Thank you very much for having me. Thank you guys for having me. And sa Friday na po ito, gusto ko lamang po magpasalamat sa Bella Essentials, Roberto Cavalli, at saka sa Wow Magic Sing, the best-selling Magic Sing ever in the whole wide universe.
No, that's an endorser. And Miss Reg, congratulations in advance that we know that it is going to be a very big hit.
Abangan talaga namin yun.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Regine.
Thank you for having me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Marami pa intriga sa pagbabalik ng Entertainment Live.
Bakit na? Dahil heto na.